Okay, take two. Wow, this house is really, really old. You guys remember me and my cameraman explored this house? Let's see in here. Ooh, shotgun. I don't even know if I should be showing this on YouTube. Chains too. Oh, it's in here. You guys have a look because I love you guys. I'll probably rewatch that. Oh, up here, nothing really special. It's just the spot. Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's like playing tug of war. And so far, the plants is winning tug of war. Hi, Dozer. Walking over to the silos here. Capacity really sucks. So, whew. There's my. I thought we were going to those silos. So we got this silo over here. We're going to explore two silos. Then we're actually going to go all the way down there. You can see my finger all the way down there. So yeah, first we're going to be a long walk. So enjoy the video, guys. Grab your popcorn, your snacks, anything. Let's take a close look at this silo. There's the dog. Well, looks like they knew I was going to climb up there. The prickly plants. Besides, I wasn't even going to climb up there anyways. Okay, now we have just arrived at probably one of the scariest places I would have ever seen in a horror movie. And I could be cautious for the new Death film coming out someday. Just not today. Death is not coming up today. Or is it? Anyways, let's see. Got here. Spark Knights. Come on, Dozer! That's my dog, Dozer. In case you keep seeing him. Now, what we have here is our luxury property. Asking price is $1 million if you rent it out. It's got, it's got great poles. It's got great bricks. Oh my god, that scared me. Well, there's a bunch of baby spiders on me. Recording, by the way. Huh? Oh, I know there's a door around that way, but nope, not this way. Okay, now right over here we have your luxury tree right inside your house. That would probably be including fines, by the way. This. Hey, can you hold this? Yeah, hold that. Just drop it. I can. It's just, I think, lots more to run. There. Oh, it's like a mission impossible. Okay, thanks, Mum. All I needed you to do was just climb up. So right here we got luxury places to explore. Huh? We got a luxury daunting place here. We got barbed wire. Very, very, very new barbed wire. Maybe. And well, we got another tree. Hey, you guys want to climb a tree? Guess what? Climb a tree. Oh, climb a tree. Oh my god. Okay. Well, back on the journey, guys. First time. Well, not first time actually, because there was the Among Us series. Coming! Okay, well, we're going to explore a new place. I'm not putting you in the video, but your voice is going to be in the video. Voice! I can't, because they can't hear my voice. What's in there, buddy? Bunch of rubbish. Okay, well, not useful there. Okay. Oh, okay, well, I think signs are pointing we go over to that territory. Oh, 50%. 50%. Okay, well, I'm gonna see you guys when I get all the way over there. Oh, all the way over there. So I'm gonna edit it. 3, 2, 1, go. That wasn't great editing, so just gonna do this. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, wait, I forgot to edit that. Well, oh, okay. Well, anyways.
But just look though, because he's pretty.
Yeah?
I mean, he's pretty tricky. Stop eating!
Okay, well, I'm gonna edit in 3, 2, 1. Whew. And we're back. No. Yep, I did say this video was going to be long, but I'm probably going to end it here because iPad's on low percentage, and you all remember it's the place where me and the camera go found EX. Well, I got it out. I still don't know if this is a metal weapon, you know. Do you know? Oh, we got jars here. Oh. Okay, well, that's it for Sir Salt My Dude vlog video. More vlog videos coming soon. This is nature version of Sir Salt My Dude Edits, and this has been the nature version. Peace.